Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and expert. In this video, let's talk about USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, GBP, JPY, and others. So let's get started. And if you do not know much about charts, what is going on in the chart, then please watch the mini course that I have uploaded around 1 year ago on my YouTube channel. Okay, at least you'll get the basic idea about the functioning of the market, what is going on in the chart, how to read the chart and all. I have around 30-35 videos. Those videos will really help you. Okay, so let's get started. So the last traded price of USD CAD 1.2766. This is the last traded price. As we all know, DXY US dollar was extremely bullish last week because of the federal interest. Feds decided to increase interest rate by March and the GDP data. Okay, so both these factors were responsible for the bullishness on US dollar. As a result, we saw extreme uh, buying on USD CAD, and one more thing, Canadian dollar has got direct impact from the price of oil. That is a different chapter. I do not want to complicate in this video. I have already discussed these two factors on many of my videos, so I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff. Okay. Anyways, for day trading purpose, okay, I would like to talk about day trading first. So if market crosses the level of 1 point, okay, if market crosses the level of 1.2800, okay, and if you see that USD CAD is bullish enough, if you see a big fat green candle is crossing the resistance, then wait for some time and see how the market is doing. Waiting period is very important because to identify a false breakout. False breakout, you must wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time and just see how the price is doing. If you see that price has crossed to 1.2800 and market is trading comfortably above the level, then you can consider it as a real breakout. Okay, then you can consider it as a real breakout and you can take a buy position above 1.2800 and your target will be this level 1.2900, around 90 to 100 pips. Clear? That is your target. Sorry, not this. This target. This is your target. If you enter here, this will be your target. Okay. Why 1.2900? Because you can see that on 1.2900 we have got resistance here, and I think there is a possibility that if dollar crosses the 97.40 level, okay, then we have an upside to 97.50, and in that manner only USD CAD will be flying till 1.2900. Okay, if you do not know about the movement of dollar, then please watch the video that I uploaded on today, okay, regarding the Euro USD and GBP USD, Gold USD. I have talked in detail about the upcoming movement on US dollar. I do not want to repeat the same stuff. Okay, so please watch the video on Euro USD, Gold USD, anything. Okay, so if dollar starts flying, breaking the resistance, okay, then we will see some good buying on USD CAD as well, hopefully, and we can take a buy position here till here. This will be our exit, and there is a possibility that when USD CAD will be at the resistance, at the same time dollar will be at the resistance as well, resistance of 97.75. Okay, so if dollar reverses from the level, you can take a sell position. Okay, but keep in mind market will be extremely bullish. Beginners, new traders can avoid. Experienced traders can take a sell position. Okay, but considering the trend of the market, it is preferred, it is wise to take a buy position only at this level at the breakout. Okay, and in case market does not go up, market does not go for a breakout, and after the market opening, if we see USD CAD coming down, okay, then your important level will be this 1.2710, okay, to 1.2700. Okay, if market comes down for retracement, this level will be very important for you. When market will be coming down to this level, watch the market and see how the market is doing. If you see that market is bouncing, you can go for a buy. You can consider it as a retracement. And if you see a proper bounce in the form of a hammer, if you see price respecting the level, you can take a buy. Okay, so if market comes down for retracement, complicated? Okay, let me repeat. So if market breaks out the level of 1.2800, you can go for a buy after waiting for some time. If the breakout is real, you can go for buy, because at the same time there is a possibility that US dollar will be giving a breakout as well. Similarly, if market fails to go up and starts coming down, okay, then observe the market and in this level, because market will be coming down for retracement. If market reverses from here, you can go for a buy here as well. If market bounces, takes support in this level of 1.2710 to 1.2700, okay, you can go for a buy here as well, because this will be a retracement level for you. So these two are the safe trading opportunities that I see on a chart of USD CAD right now. Okay, keep in mind that we also have the 200 period moving average, the red line. Okay, so in case if you see market breaking the resistance, do not take a sell position immediately. Maybe market will take support at the 200 moving average and market bounce. Okay, so this is also a possibility. So if market breaks also this level, do not take sell position immediately. I'll be coming down on a Monday and I'll tell you what should be a strategy. As of now, just look for a breakout above 1.2800 or market to bounce for 1.2700. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.